Welcome to Product Critique, where we delve into the best products available in the market to help you make informed choices. Today, we're excited to present to you the MaxGuard bed bug traps, widely recognized as the best bed bug detection strips available today. If you've ever had a frustrating encounter with bed bugs or other crawling insects, you know how crucial it is to have effective solutions at hand. The MaxGuard bed bug traps come in a convenient pack of 24, offering a reliable and non-toxic method for detecting and controlling bed bugs and other unwanted pests such as spiders, crickets, and cockroaches. With a blend of effectiveness and safety, these traps are designed for anyone looking to maintain a pest-free environment without resorting to harsh chemicals. Using these traps is incredibly straightforward. Simply peel, assemble, and position them near the base of your bedposts or furniture legs. The industrial-grade adhesive is super sticky and designed to capture bed bugs and other crawling insects effectively. What's even more impressive is that these traps contain a timed release attractant. This feature not only draws the bugs in but also ensures that you catch them before they become a larger infestation. One of the standout features of the MaxGuard bed bug traps is their non-toxic formulation. Unlike traditional pest control methods that often rely on chemicals, these traps are insecticide-free and safe for use throughout your home, providing peace of mind for families with children and pets. You can place these traps anywhere without worrying about harmful side effects. Not only are these traps easy to use, but they are also designed to last. Each trap can remain effective for up to 6 months, giving you ample time to monitor and control any pest issues that may arise. Simply check the traps regularly, and when they're filled, you can dispose of them without any mess. The MaxGuard bed bug traps are not just about trapping pests, they also serve as a proactive approach to pest management. By placing these traps strategically in your home, you can detect any potential problems early, allowing you to take action before things get out of hand. So, if you're looking for an efficient, safe, and straightforward solution to manage bed bugs and other household pests, look no further than the MaxGuard bed bug traps. They not only detect but also trap and eliminate those pesky intruders, ensuring your home remains a safe and comfortable sanctuary. Join the countless satisfied customers who have made the switch to MaxGuard. Protect your home today and say goodbye to unwelcome guests. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, stay pest-free.